Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to use functions like head, show, display. So we'll see mainly difference between these three. And apart from that, we'll see about tail, first, collect and explain functions. For, for our demo, I'm using this Titanic dataset. So first I'm trying to display this dataset. So I'm reading the dataset here and I'm trying to display using df.show. Yeah, so it's taking quite time. Yeah, so this is our dataset. Okay, so by using show function, it's showing top 20 rows because so show function, it will display only top 20 rows. If you want to display more numbers, we can enter number here, how many rows you want. Okay, so here you see difference between this and this. See, by default, df.show is there. So here by default it will take truncate equal to false. So truncate equal to false means, see if you see this particular column, no? So strings, it has more than 20 characters. So what Spark will do, there are two limitations. One is showing only top 20 rows and any column string, no, in row, any particular row value, it will show 20 characters. So if you want to show more than 20 characters, we'll use truncate equal to true. And what is this first will show is how many rows we want to display. So here I want to display 2 rows and with truncate equal to true. So we'll see difference between df.show and df.show with truncate equal to true. So as per my input 2 is showing 2 rows since, yeah, so truncate equal to true, no? So now I'm trying to use false step, false. See, now difference is, see here, since it is having characters more than 20, no? So it's showing 3 dots. So now, since I changed from true to false, now see the difference. See, it's showing all the characters. See, in our original data set, how many characters are there, no? So that many it's showing. So if you want to see more knowledge about this show function, you can go to my channel and you can find this particular video, how to use show function. So I explained in detail by covering all the commands, whichever comes under show. So you will get full knowledge of show about show function by seeing this video. Now we'll come back here. Now we'll see what is a display function. See, if you see show function, no? See it coming, see like this, its own format. See, it's not exactly tabular, not exactly coming like tabular format. If you see like a display, no? Just I'll try to run and I will see the difference. See, it comes like this. See, it is very like Excel, no? In Excel, how it looks, it comes like this. So that is the difference between show function and display function. And this particular display function, no? So it won't available in Spark. Okay, this is developed by Databricks. Okay, so if you use these commands in collab, no, Google Colab. So there you won't find this function. So this is purely Databricks function. And if you see head, so if I want to return only first row, if I want to return only first row, then I will use df.head. See it giving me result as first row. Okay, only one row it giving. Suppose if I want to get top 5 rows, so I am defining df.head inside 5 I am defining so that I will get top 5 rows. See, so total 5 rows I will get. So you can see now difference between show, we saw that, and display we saw that, and now head. Okay, so among these three, whichever best option you feel, you can use it according to your project requirement. Next, come to tail. See, tail returns last n rows. Since I mentioned one is showing last row. Suppose if I want to display last 5 rows, so I changed df.tail up to 5. See it displaying last 5 rows. So head it will display top first row, top row, depends on your input. And similar way tail, it will display last rows. You can say last n rows. Next, we'll see first function. What is first function? So df dot first. So it will display first row of the data frame. So head among head and first, no? So you can select whichever best option for you. So next we'll come to limit term. So here, if I want to return only top n rows, okay? So here I given 3. See it's showing rows. Suppose if I give display inside that I'm giving df dot limit 20. See now it's showing 20 rows. Okay, so df dot limit 20. Next we'll go for top. So it will show you top n rows. So first I will try to print 2 rows. If you see this one, see here it generating first 2 rows. So similar way you can print 4 rows. See now I am getting 4 rows. See now we have one is head is there, tail is there, and first is there, and limit is there, and top is there. So among these 4, no, so as per your requirement, you can select. So whichever is best suitable for your requirement. Next, we'll see about collect function. See, I want to return all the values from the data set. So if I use df.collect function, you see, you will get all the values in the list. See, it will generate all together in one list. Okay, so now I want to, so here I define no df.collect under data function. Okay, I defined one variable. So now I'm printing this data of 0. See it giving me first row. Okay, so suppose I'm trying for second one. So I'm giving data 0, 0 of 0. Okay, you see the difference. See it giving 1. So if you see the difference, if you compare these two, see, so data of 0 means it's showing first row, all first row values. See here what I'm trying, data 0 means first row, in that 0, in that 0 means this one, very first value is there, no? So it display 1, this one we are getting. If I try to print 0 of 1, say it displaying 0 of 1. So first one is 0, this is 0, and next one is this one, this 0, it printing. Okay, suppose 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I am entering 5 here instead of 1. See, it giving us this value. Okay, so like this depends on our position, no? We can enter here. So next, similar way, this collect function we can use by using select option. So here I can select multiple columns. So here I selected name column, ticket column, and P class, and I given collect 0. See this I want to change it to DF. See it giving name column and ticket and P class. Okay, from among these, it giving first row. If you see our basic input, you see our basic input 0. What we selected is one is P class, that is 3, and the name. 1 minute. Whatever is selected is name, ticket, P class. Okay. So name P class is 3, name is broad, and ticket is A cross 5 21171. 21171 and broad. See in first row, no? In first row, whatever values coming for these columns, no? These 3 columns, it is generating. Similar way, this is first row, no? Suppose I want to generate for second row. Yeah, so similar way, it's generating for second row. So parallelly, you can change it according to whichever row you want. Okay, so here I given third row. This third row. So you can compare with input. So third row, this particular columns, these values will be there. Now we can last one. So we'll go for explain function, df dot explain. See, it will give you the plan, okay, physical plan. So how this is working in under Spark, okay. So first one is file scanning the CSV, then it telling the location. So what is the format and partition filters, and it is giving us the path and read schema. Okay, the schema is giving. So it will show you our physical plan. Physical plan means how this data set is reading. So initially it is scanning the CSV file, then it telling what is the format, then where is this location, and partitions and scheme. Okay, so this is about explain. So from this video, so we learn what is the difference between head, show, and display, and when to use head function, tail function, first function, and limit, and when to use collect and explain functions. So that's all for this video. So if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the button. Thank you.